BinCrusher, clean and green, freedom from wet waste for a healthy kitchen. A revolutionary hygiene gadget for the kitchen sink that disintegrates wet waste in minutes. The wet waste is minced into tiny granules that is drained out like any other waste liquid. BinCrusher is designed to perish all the soft disposables like leafy vegetable waste, soft chicken and fish waste, or soiled items left out from the cooking process only. It is not used to dispose hard organic wet waste substances like dry coconut shells or chicken bones and others. BinCrusher is absolutely safe and completely child-proof. Let me show you how to install BinCrusher to an existing kitchen sink. Remove the existing drainage coupling above and the hose pipe from the sink below. Take the BinCrusher drainage coupling and position the rubber gasket on it, and now place it on the sink above. From below, position the fiber gasket on the drainage coupling and wind it with the supporting ring. Now position the silver mounting ring, pack it with the cushion ring. And lock the BinCrusher unit to the cushion mounting ring. Take the detached elbow and position the flange, followed by the washer ring to the nozzle. And screw it to the BinCrusher outlet. Now connect the flexible outlet pipe to the existing drainage line. Finally plug it to a 5 ampere socket. Now place the splash guard into the sink, followed by the stopper. Turn on the power switch with the remote air switch that you can keep it handy to a desired position, and a safety reset button in red is provided to be pressed whenever the BinCrusher trips to safeguard its motor during overload. BinCrusher brought to you by Eco Green Solutions.